Okay, so we've got two types of sugar cone here. We've got cane sugar and we've got normal white sugar. They did have white sugar in the 17th century. It just depended on how well it was raffinated, and the whiter it was, the more expensive it was. But you can make cones out of both of them. The only special item you need is either a Pilsner glass or a milkshake glass like I'm using here. Either way, you just need a glass that is conical on the inside without any texture. I felt we need as much sugar as will fit in the glass and about 2.5 teaspoons of water, and I'm just using a piece of dowel rod and a fork. So we'll start with adding 2.5 teaspoons of water with our sugar. And then immediately mixing it through until you get a consistency of moist sand. And then we'll put some in our glass and tamp it down. Then we'll take a fork and mess up the top. If you don't do this, you get a visible seam and a weak point at which it can and probably will break. And then we'll repeat this process until the glass is full. Now that the glass is full, we'll get some baking parchment and turn over a sugar cone onto the baking parchment. It's really fragile at this point, and it will probably have to dry from a few days till about a week until it's hard enough. And that's how you make a sugar cone.